Guys, today I'll be sharing how you can get name brand laundry care items for under $5 at Target just using your phone. Hi and welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. So yes, today we're back at Target doing the laundry care deal. So this week Target is running this amazing promotion where you earn a $10 gift card when you purchase 3 participating laundry care items. So the first item we're picking up is this Tide liquid detergent. This is the one that has color safe bleach, priced at $12.99. This specific item has a $4 digital coupon that you can clip on your Target Circle account. We're adding one of these 42 count Tide Pods priced at $12.99. Clip this $3 digital coupon. Grab these 32 XL count of Tide Pods priced at $15.99 and clip this $4 digital coupon. We're also adding one of these 144 ounce of Gain liquid detergent priced at $15.99. Clip this $4 digital coupon. Item number 5 that you'll be adding is one of these 42 count of Gain Flings priced at $12.99 and clip this $3 digital coupon. And now you can add any other participating item in order to earn a second $10 gift card. But I found this DOWNEY fabric softener clearanced at $8.49. And when I scan this item at the price scanner, it states that it does qualify for the $10 gift card promotion. In the past, Target excluded all clearance items from any gift card promotion, but it seems like their system is either new or it's glitching, and sometimes clearance items do qualify for those gift card promos. So I'm going to try this out and let you know if I receive a second $10 gift card. So the subtotal for all of these laundry care items comes up to $77.44, minus $18 in digital coupons. Your total will come down to $59.44. But I'm happy to say that I did get back a $20 gift card for purchasing a total of 6 participating laundry care items. So as of this morning, clearance items are qualifying for that gift card promotion. Plus, we also have this P&G rebate that'll give us back a $15 gift card when we spend $50 on participating P&G products. And all of these products do qualify for that promotion. So that's another $15 gift card that we'll be earning for this transaction, making all of these items $24.44. Or just $4.07 each, which I think is a really amazing deal for name brand laundry care items. And the Target gift card store promotion runs until Saturday, September 13th. But since clearance items are also qualifying for that gift card promotion, I think it's best to run to Target sometime soon to hopefully find clearance items to make your deal even better. And check your Target Circle accounts to see if you have any bonuses. I had this crazy one that will give me $35 in Target Circle rewards when I make 3 purchases totaling $90 or more. And since I already completed one of the 3 offers last week, and my subtotal's already at $77, I'm going to add a few more items in order to get over the $90. So hopefully this transaction will count as shopping trip number 2, which means I will only need 1 more shopping trip in order to complete that bonus and earn the $35 in rewards. And I do have 12 days to complete that bonus, so I'm determined to make that happen. So we're adding one of these Del Real Carnitas on sale this week at $7.99. And we have this aisle offer that'll give us back 50%. So we should be getting back $4 for this product. On its own, this will end up being just $3.99. And I'm also adding one of these Habiza hummus priced at $4.99. I had this Social Nature offer that'll give me back 50% of the purchase price. So I should be getting back $2.50, making this just $2.49. And this is everything I picked up at Target today. So the subtotal for all of these items here comes up to $90.42, which means that this transaction did count as shopping trip number 2 for that Target Circle bonus. The great thing about these bonuses is that your subtotal has to be whatever amount they're asking. So using coupons does not count against earning these bonuses. And we did use a total of $18 in digital coupons, which brought the total down to $72.42. But I got back that $20 Target gift card for purchasing the 6 laundry care items. I should be getting back that $15 gift card for the P&G promotion. Plus we'll be getting back $4 from aisle for the Del Real foods. Plus $2.50 from Social Nature for the Habiza hummus, which makes the final cost of over $90 worth of products just $30.92, or just $3.87 per item. And hopefully you guys are signed up for Field Agent, where you can do jobs while at the store or nearby stores in order to make your haul even cheaper. So after going to Target, I did have to go pick up an order from Sam's Club. And while there, I did go inside to do 2 bounties. I was able to get 2 shelf view jobs. One paid $3 and the other one paid $4. This took me no more than 10 minutes to complete. And I did receive those $7 in my account within an hour. So I will be counting that amount earned into my final cost. So with that surprise money from Field Agent, my final cost for all of these items ended up being just $23.92, making each item just $2.99. Simply amazing as always. And since we purchased a lot of P&G items, don't forget to upload your receipt to the P&G website. They changed their name to PG Brand Saver. This is the same website that you're going to upload your receipt in order to earn that $15 gift card when spending $50. This website rewards you every time you purchase a P&G product. So you can earn 50 points per product with a limit of 5 per receipt. So since we purchased 6 in this transaction, we will earn credit for 5 of those items, meaning that we will get 250 points for this receipt. And when you accumulate 750 points, you can redeem for a $5 digital reward that you can redeem at various stores, including Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS. So just another little incentive to add to those savings. So yeah, that's everything I picked up at Target today. And while there, I also noticed a lot of clearance throughout the store that ranged from 50% to all the way to 70% off. So I'll include pictures here if you're interested. And remember, clearance does vary per store, but take screenshots of anything you're interested and hopefully you can find them at your nearest Target. That is the end of my part in this video. Stay tuned for the clearance pictures. If you're new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have the referral links in the description. And of course, I'll have a link to the P&G website in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more money saving content. God bless.